Yet today's video, you will learn how to make gluten-free and dairy-free crepe cannelloni perfect for your lunch. Are you preparing a meal for your family or friends, or simply looking for something different to vary your meals? Well, this recipe is for you. Inspired by traditional egg pasta cannelloni, today we will make a delicious and impressive dish, crepe cannelloni with tofu and spinach. These cannelloni are suitable for all blood groups. We made them with a filling of tofu and spinach to recreate the classic ricotta and spinach filling. If you don't like tofu, you can easily replace it with a filling of homemade ragu with ingredients suitable for your blood group. Ready to discover the recipe? Let's begin. First, I prepared the crepes by combining eggs with fava bean flour. I started mixing with a whisk, and at the same time, I also added water, little by little, continuing to mix until I obtained a smooth batter without lumps. Then I also added some salt. I cooked the crepes for about a minute on both sides in a well-heated, lightly oiled pan. For each crepe, I used about a ladle of batter. Then I wilted the spinach with a little water and let them cool. To make the bechamel sauce, I combined the fava bean flour with soy milk. I continued to mix to dissolve the lumps. And then I added some olive oil and water. And salt. I mixed well with a whisk and then poured everything into a saucepan and heated it until it thickened. Then I prepared the filling. After squeezing the spinach well, I roughly chopped them with a knife and set them aside. In a blender, I added the tofu, after blanching it for 10 minutes, some olive oil, and blended. Also adding some water to make the mixture smoother. Then I added the spinach, lemon juice, garlic powder, salt, and blended again. Finally, I filled each crepe with a spoonful of filling. I rolled them up, placed them in a baking dish, and covered them with plenty of bechamel sauce. And also with a sprinkle of almond flour. I baked in a preheated oven at 180°C for about 15 minutes, and then for 5 minutes with the grill function at 200°C to make them slightly golden on the surface. At the end of cooking, I garnished with fresh parsley, but you can use any herb you prefer. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. We loved it a lot, and in fact, I think we will make it very often from now on. Before we conclude, let us know in the comment with which fillings we should try this recipe. Tell us what your favorites are. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notification bell below the video. That's all for today. See you in the next video.